Imagine you could travel through our solar system. Picture yourself aboard a spacecraft, gliding through the vast expanse of space, surrounded by the twinkling stars and the infinite darkness. You would pass rocky planets like Mars and Earth. These terrestrial planets, with their solid surfaces and unique landscapes, are the closest to the Sun and are familiar to us in many ways. You would fly by giant gas planets like Jupiter and Saturn. These colossal giants, with their swirling clouds and massive storms, dominate the middle region of our solar system. Then, far out in the darkness, you would find Neptune. This distant world, shrouded in mystery, lies on the outer edges of our solar system. Neptune is a giant planet. Its immense size and mass make it one of the most intriguing objects in our cosmic neighborhood. It is the 8th planet from the Sun. Positioned so far from our star, Neptune receives only a fraction of the sunlight that reaches Earth. This makes it very far away. In fact, it is so distant that it takes sunlight over 4 hours to reach Neptune. Neptune is a cold and mysterious world. Its frigid temperatures and enigmatic atmosphere have long fascinated astronomers and scientists. It is a beautiful blue color. This striking hue is due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue. Neptune is a gas giant. Unlike the rocky planets, it is composed mostly of gases and lacks a solid surface. It doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. Instead, its surface is a swirling mass of clouds and storms. Instead, it has a thick atmosphere of gas. This atmosphere is dynamic and ever-changing, with powerful winds and massive storms. This atmosphere is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium. Neptune is very faint. Its great distance from the Sun makes it one of the dimmest planets in our solar system. It is hard to see with the naked eye. Even with the most powerful telescopes, Neptune appears as a small, faint dot in the sky. This is why it was discovered relatively recently. It wasn't until the mid-19th century that astronomers, using mathematical predictions and telescopic observations, confirmed its existence. But with a telescope, you can see its blue glow. This distant azure world continues to captivate our imaginations and inspire our quest for knowledge about the universe. Neptune is a big planet. It is the 8th planet from the Sun and the farthest known planet in our solar system. Neptune is a gas giant, which means it doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. Instead, it is made up mostly of hydrogen, helium, and methane gases. The methane in its atmosphere gives Neptune its stunning blue color. It is about 4 times wider than Earth. If Earth were the size of a nickel, Neptune would be about as big as a basketball. This immense size makes Neptune the 4th largest planet by diameter in our solar system. It is the 3rd largest planet in our solar system by mass. Despite being smaller in diameter than Uranus, Neptune is more massive, making it the 3rd most massive planet after Jupiter and Saturn. Only Jupiter and Saturn are bigger. These gas giants are the heavyweights of our solar system, with Jupiter being the largest and Saturn coming in second. Neptune, though smaller, still holds its own as a massive and fascinating world. Neptune is very far from the Sun. It orbits at an average distance of about 4.5 billion kilometers, or 2.8 billion miles from the Sun. This great distance means that Neptune takes about 165 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. It takes sunlight more than 11 hours to reach Neptune. To put that in perspective, light from the Sun reaches Earth in just over 8 minutes. This shows just how far Neptune is from the center of our solar system. That's how far away it is. This vast distance contributes to Neptune's cold temperatures and unique atmospheric conditions. This also means that Neptune is a very cold world. Temperatures on Neptune can drop to as low as minus 214 degrees Celsius or minus 353 degrees Fahrenheit. The planet's atmosphere is composed of thick clouds and powerful storms, including the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of up to 2,100 kilometers per hour or 1,300 miles per hour. Neptune was discovered in 1846. The discovery was a significant milestone in astronomy, as it was the first planet located through mathematical predictions rather than direct observation. It was discovered by astronomers using math. They used calculations to predict Neptune's position based on irregularities in the orbit of Uranus. They noticed something strange about the orbit of Uranus. The planet's orbit was not following the path predicted by Newton's laws of motion. They realized that another planet's gravity must be pulling on it. This gravitational influence was causing the observed anomalies in Uranus's orbit. They were right, that planet was Neptune. The discovery confirmed the power of mathematical predictions in astronomy. The planet is named after the Roman god of the sea. Neptune, the god, was known for his powerful and unpredictable nature, much like the planet's dynamic atmosphere. This is because of its blue color. The deep blue hue of Neptune is a result of the methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue light. Neptune is a fitting name for this giant, icy world. Its cold, stormy atmosphere and striking blue color make it one of the most intriguing planets in our solar system. Neptune is a very stormy planet. This distant world, the eighth planet from the Sun, is known for its intense and dynamic weather patterns. Unlike any other planet in our solar system, Neptune's atmosphere is a swirling cauldron of activity. Its atmosphere is constantly moving. The clouds and gases are in perpetual motion, driven by the planet's rapid rotation and internal heat. This movement creates a mesmerizing dance of clouds and storms that can be observed from afar. There are giant storms and powerful winds on Neptune. These storms can be as large as Earth itself, and they rage with a ferocity that is unmatched in our solar system. The winds whip through the atmosphere, creating massive dark vortices. The winds on Neptune are the fastest in the solar system. They are driven by the planet's rapid rotation and the heat emanating from its core. These winds can create massive waves in the atmosphere, adding to the planet's turbulent nature. They can reach speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour. This incredible speed is more than 5 times faster than the strongest hurricanes on Earth. That's faster than the speed of sound on Earth. To put it in perspective, the speed of sound is about 767 miles per hour. Neptune's winds are nearly twice as fast, making them some of the most extreme weather phenomena in the solar system. Neptune's atmosphere has dark spots. These are giant storms. These dark spots are similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot, but are much more transient, appearing and disappearing over a few years. The largest storm ever seen on Neptune was called the Great Dark Spot. Discovered by the Voyager 2 spacecraft in 1989, this massive storm was a prominent feature of Neptune's atmosphere. It was as big as Earth. This colossal storm was a testament to the extreme weather conditions on Neptune. Despite its size, the Great Dark Spot vanished a few years after its discovery, showcasing the ever-changing nature of Neptune's atmosphere. Neptune is very cold. The average temperature on Neptune is about -353 degrees Fahrenheit. This frigid temperature is due to its great distance from the Sun and its lack of a significant internal heat source. That's cold enough to freeze methane. Methane, which is a gas on Earth, becomes a liquid under these extreme conditions. Methane is a gas on Earth, but it is a liquid on Neptune. This difference in states is a direct result of the vastly different temperatures and pressures found on these two planets. Neptune's unique environment continues to intrigue and challenge our understanding of planetary science.